rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another one. It's over with. It's over with. When I say that, I mean like the season is over. Well, maybe if you run certain organizations, maybe the season isn't over, but when I say the season over, I'm talking about the major shows. That's what I'm speaking of. Ruckus and Chill just passed this weekend. I didn't make it to that show. But that was like the final big show of the year. But until, I guess you could say, Slamology, it is a few other shows coming up, like smaller shows. But I don't really know of many that's going on right now at the moment. So if you know something, let me know down in the comments. A lot of people are selling stuff and changing some stuff up. I'm selling some things myself. So, you know, if you're looking for some items, be sure to inbox me. You know, if you're looking for some, be sure to let me know. Because I do have some stuff for sale. If, you know, if that's what you're looking for. But if I don't have for sale, of course, you know, I have a discount code. I'm thinking about, I got another website as well. I'm going to probably get that back up and going eventually. Where, like B-stock stuff, like stuff I may review or I may use for a little while and I put it on there, or, you know, or whatever the deal is, where it's slightly used, whatever you want to call it. And I'm thinking about putting that on the website. And, of course, I have finance. I already got the website. I just don't have it up at the moment because I hadn't really been using it. So, but I do have like all the financing options and everything like that. So if you want to finance something, you'll be able to do that as well. So if that's something you need, you know, I have that as well. So I'll let y'all know when I get the website up and running again. It ain't gonna take enough for me to do it because I already got everything built. I just need to, you know, set it back to live, and I could sell some of the stuff that like I reviewed or B-stock items or whatever. I may have some new items as well. Not a whole lot of them because I'm not really trying to get that deep into just selling equipment. Not like that. But of course, y'all know I'm an affiliate for a lot of different people. So I kind of try to do that, send y'all to them. But like certain stuff I may have, if you want to shop with me on certain stuff, as far as the B-stock stuff, like I say, stuff I reviewed or I used for a little while and put it on there for sale, I have that up. But yeah, but a lot of folks getting rid of stuff, man. I've been seeing a lot of good deals online, and let me know what you're switching to. Some people switching brands or just want something different. Let me know what you're switching to. You know, let me know why you might be switching if you want to down in the comments. But a lot of people are switching. So you may want to try something different for the next season, or if you run the lanes, you may want to rebuild and do something a little different to get a higher score. I don't know what you do. But it's a long time. We don't even know when Slamology is at the moment. So we still waiting on that. We don't know where it's going to be at and when it is and nothing like that. So we're waiting on that. Of course, I'll try to put the show tab back on the website. I had a tab for shows on the website. So if you want to go over to CarAudioConnect.com, I'll have my show tab back up there, or the CarAudioPlug.com. It'll take you to the same place. And that way you can be able to pick up what you may need. So, you know, if there's something you're interested in, be sure to get over there and check it out for the shows or whatnot. I'm going to try to put some more back on there as soon as I can get, you know, the dates and everything. So, y'all drop them down in the comments. Hit me up on any social media site. Maybe I can get the information from you. But, like I said, if you're looking for some car audio products, I got a few of them, B-stock stuff I got that I had in something or just reviewed or whatever, and I'm trying to get rid of it. But man, it's like the year went by so fast, and the shows seem like it's dying now. There's not really a lot of people going to the shows like they used to. That's one thing I did notice going to some of the shows this year. I'm not gonna really go down through the shows and, you know, pinpoint which ones and stuff like that. But of course, Slamology seems like it's always a big show because some people only go to Slam. But, you know, it's kind of like the biggest one of all of them. But a lot of the other shows, you know, not Slamology, like a lot of those shows, it seem like they kind of either dying down, like people are not going as much as they used to. It seemed like people, I don't know if it's like a financial thing or maybe people are just getting tired of it. And some people say it's the drama within the community, which I don't really see all of the drama because I'm not really into that too much. But I mean, you really can't duck and dodge it either. But I don't really see as much of it. Like I said, if it don't have nothing to do with me, I don't really get involved in it or nothing like that. So, maybe it's another reason they're really getting out. They're just using that reason. Hopefully not. But let me know, man. Why do y'all think it's like the shows? It seems like people are not going as much as usual. You usually see a lot of people at the shows. They usually be packed out, but it's kind of like it's thinning out. I don't know if people kind of moving on from it, outgrowing it, or like I said, a financial situation where you kind of got to leave car audio alone. But either way, I understand. I think they had music awards in Orlando or down that way in Florida here this past weekend as well, the same weekend as Ruckus. I haven't really seen much from that show, but hopefully I can get a little bit more information. I can share that with y'all too if I can find some more information about it or some clips or something I can share. But I don't really know much about it other than the time that I went. Usually I try to go to that one and Ruckus, but they're kind of been falling on the same weekend, so I haven't been able to make both of those shows. It's kind of close together, so it's kind of like I go to Florida one weekend and I have to go back up to North Carolina, so it's almost like it's cheaper for me to go to Florida or North Carolina, wherever it is, whichever one's first, and then go to the other one directly after I leave that show and just stay in Florida for a week. And, maybe it'll make more sense to do it that way, but hopefully, man, it stops falling on the same weekend. And, man, we got a long way, man. We got a long winter ahead. Of course, we got Black Friday deals coming up. Of course, y'all be sure to use my codes if y'all support the channel. If not, that's okay too. But if y'all support the channel, use the code, the discount codes. Go to Cardio Connect, click on the links there. It'll take you where you need to. And I sure appreciate y'all for tuning in. But y'all let me know, man, what kind of shows do y'all have planned, in the meantime, because it's getting cold. I don't know if Basshead still do it or not. But we're gonna see what this next season holds. I'm hopefully I can switch some stuff around and do a different kind of build or something different. So y'all be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. And y'all be sure to stay hit the notification bell too, because I have a lot of videos, a lot of demos I got with y'all. They're still uploading a little bit every day. So don't unsubscribe if you don't see your video yet. It is coming, so don't think I just forgot about you. It is coming, I promise you. If you don't see it, you might have to search in the old videos. It's there for sure. Or if it's not there, it is coming up, because I still got Slamology videos posting every day. I may even have some some videos from Made of Steel still posting, because I got so much of it. So it's all uploaded anyway, so it will be coming up. So y'all be sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.